we need to learn and unlearn things. When we were young, we were told that Pluto is a planet.
That's right.
Nice.
They put it back.
Then all of a sudden, after a few years, they told us that Pluto is a dwarf planet. But now there is indeed a new research that Pluto is a real planet.
Put it back.
It's just the same as we journey in this world. If you will ask your child on how to use Facebook, to Google, they will teach you more things, right? And we tend to think that we know more about this life. But life is a constant change. So every time that there is change, we must learn to adapt to change. And part of it is unlearning things. Nowadays, typewriter is a thing of the past.
Yeah.
If you will show your child a telephone that uses a wheel, they don't know how to use it, I guarantee you. But they can all teach us things that we didn't learn when we were young. The bottom line of this fellow Toastmasters, we need to learn and relearn and unlearn things for us to be able to adopt in our journey in this life. Thank you.